Hey guys, hope you're all well and happy. Today I do have a Born Pretty video and they did kindly send me over some goodies to show you. I have some lovely cat eyes, but first I'm going to get to the practical stuff. So they did send me their 6-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. Now I have never used this product before, but I gather that it's like a builder gel because it says you can use it in 6 ways, and on their video on their website they do show you that you can use it as a nail gel, a base gel, so which is basically a base coat, a nail strengthener, which would be like a gel overlay or a builder in a bottle overlay, nail tips glue, or extension gel, watercolor gel, which is like blooming gel, and top coat. So I am guessing this is just their version of their builder in a bottle. Extension gel would be like for Gel X style nails, I'm guessing, but I have heard a lot of people rave about this product. So I am gonna just hopefully try it out and see how I go with it. Yeah, this is, let me know if you've tried this because yeah, I want to know what you think of this, but I'm excited to try this one. Then we did also get their nail debonder. So this is a new product. Well, at least it's new to me. I've never seen this before, but again, a quick look on their video on their website. It's used as a removal liquid. So it says you can immerse your nails, specifically false tips, like false nails. If you immerse your nails in this stuff, it says it's 5-minute removal. Now I'm not going to try this today because I have a builder gel on my nails, so I'm not going to be able to try this. I just want to show it to you and tell you what it's about, and I will definitely be trying it out in the future. But the vibe that I got from the videos online, it was like if you have a Gel X or if you have false nails on, you kind of peel back the tip of the nail and you kind of immerse your finger into this, just like this. They did give you a little dropper with it as well, and they did give you a little cuticle pusher. So in their video they kind of do this, like they just gently pry away the edges and then they immerse the fingers into this stuff here. So I am excited to try this as well because I do use a lot of false nails when I don't have time to do like a builder gel or anything like that. I use false nails a lot. Press-on nails, love them. So that's those two practical, like we will say, products. So now on to the fun stuff. I did open these really quickly and had a little cheeky look online, but I do have my little trusty finger here. So I'm going to do just swatches of these guys and we're going to cure them and show you exactly what the colours are like. So first of all, this is colour Freedom Land and it is MY57. So this is a cat eye, so a cat magnetic gel. Born Pretty rarely go wrong with their cat eyes. Like I have so many good Born Pretty cat eyes. So this, ooh, this is a nice purple looking one. So I'm just going to paint this on and then I'm going to pull the cat eye from it. So just giving it a nice even coat. Now of course you can put black underneath. So if you were to put black underneath, it would come up a little bit darker and a little bit more pigmented. But you can also just use them like this as well if you want them a little bit lighter. It really does depend on how you want them. So I'm going to grab my little magnet here and I'm going to gently pull that cat eye. Whoa, that is gorgeous. Can you see? Can you see how easily that pulled there? Let me see if I can try to get a bit closer for you guys. So you can see how magnetized that gel is, look. That is unbelievable, that's gorgeous. Wow, that is beautiful. That was really simple with one thin coat, I want to say, do you know what I mean? Like look how quick that was. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is so nice. Can I pop that into cure? It would help if I switched on my lamp to cure it. So in she goes to cure. So again, sorry guys, my camera is flying all around the place today. So this is Freedom Land again. That's Freedom Land. And then the next colour up is, I'm guessing it is from the same collection, yeah, because it's MY56. And this, oh, this is another Freedom Land, but that's just MY57, and this one is MY56. So the collection is obviously called Freedom Land. Sorry, my bad about that. I didn't actually know what they were sending me. I just knew that my rep was sending me some goodies. I didn't know what was coming really. So very, very happy to have these though. These are super cute. Okay, so we're gonna go in and we are gonna do another swatch of this guy. So this is MY56. Yeah. Sorry guys, if this is all over the place. I'm literally just recording this while I have a second, so there'll be no editing. It's just going to be rough and raw and ready. So if you like rough and raw and ready, this is where to go. Usually I will take my time and do a little bit of editing, but I just don't have time at all today, so I'm just going to record and throw on these swatches, and hopefully you will gain some insight into these little products. And again, please let me know, like, if you do have any experience with the nail glue or the debonder. I would be really, really interested to know. So this is an absolutely fabulous green. I'm just going to wipe away there because I did mark the edges. So let's see with this guy now. I'm going to put it up closer for you. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my god, like this is my absolutely 100% real reaction, because like I said, I literally just opened them. I had a sneak peek at them, but I didn't pull the magnet on them at all. Wowzers, 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 wowzers. Look at that. It's literally just going wherever you want it to go. Let's see if I can demagnetize it a little bit. That is so stunning. Sorry, I know I keep going over it, but I'm just a bit mesmerized right now. Wow. Okay, I'm going to cure that one as well. And I'm really excited for the last one, because the last one is a glitter. So I'm obsessed with glitter, guys. I hope you're all well, by the way, and I hope you're all enjoying your nails, whatever you're doing, whether you are a nail enthusiast, a nail tech, a press-on artist, gel nail artist, acrylic artist. Hope you're all busy and happy doing what you're doing. So this is Golden Ribbon MY271, and this is part of their HEMA-free gels. So they're called X gels. They are the HEMA-free. They have 15 ml. They're a little bit bigger than those bottles that I just showed you there, and they are absolutely amazing. I love these. These are fabulous. Every one that I've tried of this brand has been amazing. So I haven't tried a cat eye from this yet, so can't wait. And I have seen that it is a little bit of a glitter in it, so I am more than happy to try this. Now, I just have a feeling this might be better under black, but we're just gonna go for it. Yeah, let's just go for it. So this is gold. Okay. This definitely probably would have been better under black, I would say. So I might just do a thin layer first and cure this. Since we've gotten this far, I'll do a thin layer and I'm going to cure it for maybe 30 seconds. I know you should cure them for longer, but just for this swatch purposes, I'm just going to cure for 30 seconds. And just to get a little bit of depth in the colour. But like I said, that one was Golden Ribbon MY271. So yeah, this just says cure under UV LED light for 60 seconds for a complete dry. It also gives the ingredients, and as well, guys, I do have a discount code for for Born Pretty. It is Be Gorgeous 10, and I will leave it in the description box. As always, with any other discount codes that I do have for any other brands, I'll leave them in there. But yeah, if you want 10% off your order on the Born Pretty website, you can go ahead and use that one. Cannot believe it's almost the end of summer already. I can't believe it's August. Where has summer gone? It's crazy. This as well would probably be one of those cat eyes that you could put over any colour. So you could put it over like a dark pink, you could put it over a dark green, you could obviously black, and it would probably somewhat reflect the colour underneath. Okay, so let's go. Let's see if you can. Okay. That is gorgeous. Again, I feel like under a dark, or over a darker colour, sorry. But like, I mean, look at that. You can already see the effect of it. That's the thing. Like when you're putting it on a clear stick and it's given that effect already, then you know it's a winner. These are amazing. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending me this stuff. I hope you enjoy this quick and simple showcasing of these products. I just really wanted to get on and show you these guys. So look at them. Ooh, love them. Love them, love them, love them. But guys, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and I do have loads of other videos like this in my library, so go check them out if you want, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.